Hi guys, this is Cobra Tom.
And Venom Lily.
And we are going to be doing a video today. And that video we're doing is Star Wars. Well, we are going to be doing a quick unboxing. This will, well, you'll see it, but I believe this is a 1988 figure, I believe. Here we go. 1980, I'm sorry. Okay, that's it. Okay. Well packaged. Okay. Got the tape here. Very well packaged. All right. All righty. There we go. Well packaged. Well done, lads. Well done. Well done. A plus on the packaging. All right. Always try to cut away from yourself so you don't get hurt. And this is the 1980 Imperial officer. A very nice figure. Please like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notifications so you never miss one of our awesome videos. Well, thank you for watching, and we will see you
next time.
Bye.
Bye.